Welcome to Lily Toys. Guess the animals from their shadows in 3 seconds. Are you ready? Let's get started.
Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a fox. Foxes are clever and crafty creatures known for their beautiful, bushy tails and reddish-brown fur. They live in forests, fields, and sometimes even near towns. Foxes are excellent hunters and can catch small animals like mice and birds. They're also great at digging, and they often make cozy dens underground to sleep in. Foxes are like nature's detectives, using their keen senses to find food and stay safe. While they may seem mysterious, they remind us of the importance of adaptability and intelligence in the animal kingdom. Remember, though, it's best to observe them from a distance and let them thrive in their natural habitat. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a turtle. Turtles are amazing reptiles with a hard, protective shell that they carry on their back. They come in many shapes and sizes, from tiny turtles that can fit in your hand to big ones with majestic shells. Turtles are known for their slow and steady pace, and they can live for a very long time. They love swimming in ponds, lakes, and oceans, and some even enjoy basking in the sun on rocks or logs. Turtles are gentle creatures that like to munch on plants, insects, and sometimes even small fish. They're like wise old beings, reminding us to take life one step at a time and appreciate the beauty of the world around us. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a goose. Geese are fascinating birds that love to fly in V-shaped formations in the sky. They have beautiful feathers, often white or gray, and their honking sounds like they're talking to each other. Geese are excellent swimmers and can paddle gracefully in ponds and lakes. They enjoy munching on yummy plants and grains, and sometimes you might see them waddling around on land with their funny, webbed feet. Geese are very friendly creatures, but they can be protective of their families, so it's important to admire them from a distance and never disturb them when they're resting or nesting. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a kangaroo. Kangaroos are amazing animals from Australia. They are known for their powerful legs and long tails. Kangaroos are great hoppers and can jump really high and far. They use their tails for balance and their strong legs to move quickly. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means they carry their babies, called joeys, in a special pouch on their belly. Joeys stay in the pouch until they grow big enough to hop alongside their mom. Kangaroos love to eat grass and plants and are very good at it. They're friendly and unique animals that can't be found anywhere else in the world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is an iguana. Iguanas are cool reptiles that live in warm places like tropical forests and deserts. They have scaly skin and long tails, which they use for balancing as they climb trees and rocks. Iguanas are excellent swimmers too, and they can dive into the water to escape from danger. These reptiles like to eat leaves, fruits, and even some insects. They're like the gardeners of the animal world, helping to keep plants in check. Iguanas can change colors to match their surroundings, which is their way of saying, "I'm here." Watching iguanas reminds us of the incredible ways animals adapt to their homes, even in hot and sunny places. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a weasel. Weasels are tiny and quick animals that live in the wild. They have sleek bodies and short legs, which make them excellent hunters. Weasels are very curious and love to explore their surroundings, often hunting for small creatures like mice and insects. They can be quite sneaky and use their sharp teeth to catch their prey. Weasels change their fur color depending on the season to help them hide from predators. They're like nature's little detectives, always on the lookout for their next adventure. While weasels are fascinating, it's important to remember that they're wild animals, so it's best to admire them from afar in their natural habitat. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a panda. Pandas are adorable and cuddly-looking bears that come from China. They're famous for their fluffy black and white fur. Pandas are mostly gentle and love to eat bamboo, which is like their favorite snack. They're excellent climbers and swimmers, even though they look a bit round. Baby pandas are called cubs, and they're super tiny when they're born. Pandas enjoy spending time on their own, munching on bamboo leaves and playing in the forests. These lovable bears have captured the hearts of people all around the world. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a dove. Doves are gentle and peaceful birds that symbolize love and hope. They are usually white or light gray with soft feathers and small, round bodies. Doves are known for their soothing cooing sounds that they make, like a lullaby in the sky. They are often seen flying gracefully and symbolize freedom and peace. Doves build nests in trees or on rooftops and lay small eggs. People often release doves at special events like weddings as a sign of love and harmony. Doves are like messengers of kindness and remind us to be gentle and loving to each other and all living creatures. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a camel. Camels are extraordinary animals known for their ability to thrive in deserts. They have long legs and a hump on their back, which is not for carrying water, but it stores fat to provide them with energy when food and water are scarce. Camels have unique, padded feet that help them walk easily on the hot sand. They are sometimes called the ships of the desert, because they can carry heavy loads and travel long distances. Camels are friendly and gentle creatures with a fascinating way of communicating through various sounds. They also have long eyelashes that protect their eyes from blowing sand in the desert. Camels are truly remarkable animals built to survive in some of the toughest environments on Earth. Can you guess the animal? 3, 2, 1. Good job! It is a peacock. Peacocks are like nature's living rainbows. They are big, colorful birds known for their stunning feathers that they display like a beautiful fan. These feathers have eye-catching patterns and bright, iridescent colors. Peacocks love to strut their stuff, especially when they want to impress a peahen, a female peacock. They also make unique sounds, like a loud call that sounds like, meow. Peacocks live in places with lots of trees and love to roost high up at night. They're like the supermodels of the bird world, reminding us of the beauty and diversity found in nature.
Hi friends, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to see more videos. Thanks for watching.